In this module, we'll talk about the role played by joint ventures and offshore campuses of English speaking universities in promoting transnational education. After the failure of transnational virtual universities, many English speaking universities initiated joint ventures with the universities in non English speaking countries. In addition, they established their offshore campuses in these countries, for example, China, Japan, Malaysia, etc. So now, these English speaking countries, instead of encouraging the students from these countries to come to the English speaking countries for higher education, started targeting the market in the student's home country. So they created a market for themselves in the student's home country where they had established their offshore campuses, their branch campuses. Let's take a look at some of the international universities from different English speaking countries which have established their branch campuses in different countries of the world, especially Asian countries. Some of the US universities which have offshore campuses include New York University, which has a campus in Shanghai and another in Abu Dhabi. University of Northern Virginia has a campus in Cyprus. Similarly, Webster University has a campus in Thailand. Some Australian universities with offshore campuses include University of Southern Queensland, which has a campus in Dubai. Similarly, University of Wollongong has a campus in Dubai as well. Some UK universities with branch campuses include University of Nottingham, with a campus in Malaysia and another in Ningbo in China. Middlesex University has a campus in Dubai. Similarly, University College London has a campus in Qatar. These English-speaking countries have also initiated some joint ventures with universities around the world. So many US universities have started joint ventures with other universities. For example, University of Michigan and Shanghai Jiao Tong University has a joint institute which is called University of Michigan and Shanghai Jiao Tong University Joint Institute. Similarly, we have a New York Institute of Technology and Nanjing at the New York Institute of Technology has a campus in Nanjing, which is again a joint venture between Nanjing University and New York Institute of Technology. It's not only English-speaking countries which have initiated joint ventures or have established offshore campuses. Some non-English speaking universities have also established their offshore campuses with improvement in the quality of education in their own countries as a result of education reforms and newer policies and a high number of graduates returning to these countries after higher qualification. With higher qualification, these countries have also been able to establish their own offshore campuses. One such university is actually a Pakistani university. Shaheed Zulfikar Ali Bhutto Institute of Science and Technology has a campus in Dubai. Similarly, Manipal University of India also has a campus in Dubai. Islamic Azad University of Iran also has a campus in Dubai. So Dubai seems to have attracted a large number of universities from around the world. These joint ventures and overseas campuses are likely to attract students from countries other than the host country in the region. For example, Nottingham University in Malaysia does not only attract Malaysian students, it also attracts students from other countries in the region. Many Pakistanis have enrolled in Nottingham University, Malaysia campus. Similarly, many students from other Asian countries, including Pakistan, have enrolled themselves in Middlesex University and many other such universities. So these universities do not only attract the students from the host country, but also students from other neighboring countries. In this way, this initiative of establishing offshore campuses or branch campuses is promoting globalization of higher education, and that also on a large scale. And in this way, they're also building a stimulating international intellectual environment. So now higher education is not restricted to the boundaries of some English speaking countries only, but global higher education can be witnessed in many non English speaking countries as well.